What's up, everybody? It's Dwayne here with week 2 of Sobriety Self-Portraits. And this week I had to improvise a little bit because it was raining out, but I'm out here in Center City. And, it's funny how this week worked out because I was just kind of in a situation where I feel a little bit. I didn't even realize I was feeling a little bit down about myself until I came out here and started taking some of these photos, and I just realized how good I felt about myself after taking them. And it's funny because I was hanging out with a bunch of people in my recovery circle, and I sent my first video over because I just posted it. So videos are kind of a week behind of when I initially shot them, but you know what, as long as it's on a weekly schedule, that'll be our little secret. But anyway, this is week 2. Once again, I hope y'all get something out of it. I hope I can inspire somebody. Feel free to talk to me about anything from recovery to photography. It's a pretty simple process. I'm out here with got a big boy tripod this time. I got my NEX5 with the kit lens. Got facial recognition, autofocus on. It's nothing fancy, nothing crazy. But eventually I'm gonna start stalking these streets and trying to get some portraits of other people and start bringing more content that way. But for now, I'm gonna stay motivated to keep putting something out for everybody on a weekly basis. But anyway, that's enough from me for the shots I got this week. See y'all next week.